Hi, my name is Brad from T.CON, and today I'm going to show you how we enter time in via our work center. So, of course, there's the old saying, time is money, and tracking time is extremely important for every one of our customers. So, let's take a look at our user interface for tracking time within MES CAT. So, here you have kind of the starting page of the work center. And as you can see here, there's a tab for time. So let's dive into there. So you can see various different color coding, various different reasons. And for example, here, if you look at the top one, you see it was today from 12 to 12:30. There was a technical issue because of a PLC fault. So let's say you had someone repair that, and then from, let's say, 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock, you were producing. So you fill that in. So what you may have noticed, okay, so it added a green code for productive time, but there's this little bar here in between because we have a gap between 12:30 and 1. So what you can do is click on that, and you can see it's not complete yet, so it's giving me a red traffic light. And then I have to give in a reason for that. So let's say there was setup time that was needed. So I can enter that in. You can see that gap is no longer there. It has taken that code, and now we have that available. And of course, I did that all manually. However, in the most ideal situation, you would be taking over the machine status as much as possible. And there's various different rules or logics that you can build into the system. So for example, you can have a logic that says, okay, if the setup time, you have a standard setup time of 4 hours. If it takes them 5 hours to get it set up, then maybe they have to give an explanation, define a code why it took them over 5 hours. So there's a lot of flexibility there. One of the most important things of an MES system is to provide transparency, and time is one of the most important and costly things in order to do that. So you can make it as almost as complex or as easy as you would like to be. You can define almost any level of reason codes that you want to record and track time. That's all kind of a definition of how sophisticated you want to be, but there's a lot of opportunities here and a lot of potential here within MES CAT. So that just gives you kind of a brief introduction into what is possible there. I'm going to go in additional videos through more of the functionality here, so please stay tuned, and in the meantime, thank you for your time and have a great day. Thanks. Bye.